Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for WWG57 for the Central Highlands of Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Marl, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG86 Columbus, Ohio. This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington.
Alright, wait a check of time. So this one did not go off for some reason.
Through Saturday with precipitation chances possible Sunday into early next week. Although no chance for rain will then be in the forecast.
This one's, it's probably unhealable, or KIG86 didn't do it today. Alright, my room time. Everything did go off. This one was unplugged. Yeah, this one did. My RGB 3100. This one already did for WWG57. And the EAS 240, 249, San Jean. This one did go off, and these two recalls, as I say, weekly test, but they don't light up. This one was unplugged. My recall did go off. My V0 did 521. Jensen. Then my 74 on 2 and 9. That one definitely did. And according to 12250 and 251. Same goes with these. And EAS finally. Me not right now, Evie. Still filming, but these did. Including my new Union finally. These two did in Flux V5. The V8 unfortunately did not go off. Oh, I think. Nope. Well, that's pretty much it. Let me check on that 247B I found yesterday. 12247B did go off. So that's an easy resellable product. So yeah. Thanks for watching, you all.